Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up HDR on Nintendo Switch 2. Alright, let's begin. First, open System Settings from the Home menu and scroll down to Display Settings. Once there, make sure HDR output is turned on. Next, scroll to the HDR output option and select Compatible Software Only. This ensures HDR only activates for games that support it, preventing washed out colors on non-HDR titles. After that, select Adjust HDR. On this screen, use the D-pad to fine-tune brightness. Press up or down until the sun image on the left is visible and the one on the right disappears completely. This ensures proper contrast and brightness balance. Next, press the Y button to open the brightness slider. You can adjust the image to your liking while switching between HDR preview screens using the X button. Experiment a little to find what looks best for your TV or monitor. Once satisfied, press B to go back, then select OK to save your settings. So that's basically how you can set up HDR on Nintendo Switch 2. That's it for this video. Thanks!